Hello friend, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best soldering iron on the market. This list is based on our personal opinions and considers factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. For prices and additional details about the products featured, make sure to check out the description below. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product review videos. Alright, let's jump into today's video. Number 5. Kweitz KETS02 Soldering Iron. The Kweitz KETS02 soldering iron is a versatile tool suitable for hobbyists and professionals. It offers an adjustable output power of 13.5 W to 96 W, allowing users to tackle delicate electronics and demanding projects. The iron has a wide temperature range of 80 degrees centigrade to 420 degrees centigrade, ensuring the perfect heat level for various soldering applications. It features a 0.87-inch OLED screen for clear temperature readings, making it easy to monitor and adjust. It is powered through a Type-C interface compatible with modern power sources and has CE, EC, and RoHS certifications for safety and quality. The PD trigger fast charging protocol allows for quick charging, reducing downtime and enhancing efficiency. Number 4. Secure S99 Soldering Iron. The Secure S99 soldering iron is a versatile and high-performance tool suitable for both professional and hobbyist soldering tasks. It offers powerful performance with a maximum output of 150 W and an adjustable setting of 75 W, allowing for versatile use in various tasks. The soldering iron has a wide temperature range of 50 to 500, ensuring precise control for various materials and techniques. It also maintains exceptional temperature stability of plus or minus 1%, reducing the risk of overheating or underheating solder joints. The Secure S99 is CNFCC certified, ensuring its reliability and performance. Its compact and mini design enhances maneuverability and comfort, making it suitable for tight spaces or extended sessions. The soldering iron is compatible with JBC 245 soldering tips, allowing for easy replacement tips. The Secure S99 also offers multilingual support in both Russian and English, simplifying setup and operation. Number 3. Luxianzi Soldering Iron. The Luxianzi soldering iron is a versatile and efficient soldering tool with a selectable output power of 30 W or 40 W, suitable for hobbyists and professionals. Its output temperature is 200 degrees centigrade, ensuring precise heat for optimal soldering. The iron is designed for handheld and portable use, with an ergonomic design for comfortable handling. Its 1.42-meter power cord provides ample length for comfortable use. The soldering iron has a momentary electromagnetic power of 350 W, contributing to its quick heating capabilities. Made in mainland China, it adheres to robust quality standards and has no high concern chemicals, making it a safe choice for various environments. With 7 available specifications, the Luxianzi soldering iron is a comprehensive solution for various needs, including electronics, crafts, and repairs. Number 2. Bumnova Soldering Iron. The Bumnova rechargeable soldering iron is a versatile tool suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. It offers powerful performance with a 60 W power output, making it ideal for intricate electronics or larger tasks. Its rechargeable design provides convenience and portability, making it suitable for various settings. The soldering iron has a versatile temperature range of 300 to 500, allowing for precise temperature adjustments. Its ceramic heating core ensures quick and even heating, resulting in smoother soldering results. The user-friendly design features a sleek metal and plastic construction and a stylish black and blue color scheme, ensuring comfortable handling. The iron's 936 tip is durable and effective, making it ideal for detailed work in tight spaces. Number 1. Alientech Soldering Iron. The Alientech soldering iron is a high-performance soldering tool designed for both hobbyists and professionals. It offers a 100 W output, ensuring rapid heating and consistent performance. Its wide temperature range of 80 degrees centigrade to 450 degrees centigrade allows for versatile use in various soldering applications. The iron's smart design enhances usability with compact dimensions and adjustable temperature settings. It has CE and FCC certifications, ensuring high safety and quality standards. The iron is versatile, suitable for use with a 220 V power supply and built with durability in mind. Its compact dimensions and CE and FCC certifications ensure a reliable tool. The iron is adaptable to different project requirements and is a reliable choice for both occasional and frequent users. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.